No, for real. No, for real. Okay. 6, not a painted woman.
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
Welcome to our channel. Well, welcome back to our channel, Kodaksos. And today we got a couple of unboxing for you guys. We all copped something, so we wanted to.
Some more than others.
So we wanted to actually have RJ here so he can actually show his shoes. So he gonna go first on what he copped. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's look it up.
Lift it up so they can see the box.
This is the box. It shows shiny. And it's DJ Collins.
So
And
we'll show here,
so colorful. But it's display colors.
and then we're gonna open the box up.
Pull your shoe out so everybody can see it.
And it is fire. And you wanna know what's best about these shoes? It comes with a dozen of shoelaces. And
You said it come with a dozen shoelaces.
there's holes.
Mm-hmm. Hold them up so everybody can see it.
And
So what are these? You know what these are called?
no,
Chinese New Year.
Chinese New Year and their limited edition fire pack final set of the Arena of MF2.
Oh, okay.
So these are Chinese New Year, and he has a preschool size. And they actually came with the same box, the paper and everything. So they didn't spare anything, but for the price, they shouldn't have spared anything for preschool size. So these are, as you can see, they didn't come with the satin wrapped around them. They just came with the opening, which I think is still dope. And it has the logo and things going straight down the tongue.
Bless you.
So I think it's still, even without the satin, I think it's a dope shoe. What you think?
Oh, my bad. I kind of got lost in my thoughts. I like it. You know, they're dope. You know, for a kid's shoe. I can't hold it. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Detailing cool on it. I like them. I dig them. You know, I made. Yeah, I like them overall. And the inside, you know, got detail and all in the inside with the same, you know, Chinese New Year theme, you know, colorway. I dig them. I like them. You putting your shoes on?
Yeah.
Why? You ain't got no socks on. That's nasty.
I guess you want to wear shoes. Okay. So the next one we got is
Me. Oh,
go ahead.
We doing me?
Yeah, you know.
Oh yeah, you see, we got them ordered.
Yeah, go ahead.
So, I'm next. I got the same shoe, the Chinese New Year 12. You know what I'm saying? Got this nice, fancy gold box. You know what's just dope?
This is the Water Limited Edition MF1.
Yeah, what he just said, limited edition.
Limited edition water.
And actually, these are my second pair of Chinese New Year's. I got the 6s that came out last year too. But you know, cool, dope box. On the inside, quality inspired by the greatest player ever. So again, they spared no expense with the detailing. The paper is cool. You know, Chinese New Year theme, dope, awesome. I like them. I guess I'll let you hold this one. So initial, you know, first thoughts, you know, it's dope. It kind of reminds me of the Wing 12s because it got the little gold there. But you know, the satin is cool, dope. Detailing is great. I don't see really any flaws or anything in it. Well, a little bit, but you know, nothing too serious. But
Daddy.
Overall, I like the shoe. I'm debating on if I want to peel the satin back to show that that Chinese New Year thing. Alright, due to some minor technicalities, aka the battery died, so we kind of had to edit this scene a little bit and start somewhere in the middle of the review of my Chinese New Year's 12. So upon initial, oh, I already talked about that, didn't I?
Yeah.
Oh, so I gave y'all my initial thought on the shoe. Overall, dope shoe. I'm glad I copped it. The only thing is, I don't know if I want to kind of peel the satin back to kind of show that the same colorway that they have for the kid versions. I kind of want to, just by looking at RJ's shoe, it's pretty dope in my opinion. So I don't know. I'm kind of torn if I want to keep it like this or if I want to, what I'm saying, peel the not information, peel the satin back and expose the design that's under here.
What I like is they didn't like pretty much like take the kids version and create a totally different shoe. Like a lot of the details are still there, from the tongue, even with the box. Like usually you get a kid's shoe and they get like a basic generic box, no paper in it, things like that. So I think they did a really good job. They didn't put the gold Jumpman on there probably because it's such a small shoe, but I don't think they spared anything with
What
the
gold
shoe.
Jumpman? Oh, okay. Just talking about this right here.
Yeah, I don't think they spared anything with the shoe, especially for the preschool.
Okay. And they kind of do that a lot too. And we got oh my bad, I got a whole nother shoe to do. I forgot I had more pickups than her this week, which will be my last pickup for a while. Dun dun dun. What did I order? The Jordan Laney 5s. I guess you can hold on to that one. So overall, I like the shoe. Yellow is my favorite color, so if I find something with some yellow in it, I try to get it just because it's different, it's bright, it's loud, so when you see it, you kind of want to look at it. I'm not a fan of getting all suede shoes, but
Is
this
this suede
one,
or is it new book?
suede, probably new book. Do it say?
Probably not. I think it's new.
Yeah, probably new buck. Well, new buck suede, same sort of kind, but not really. But not a fan of getting that one colorway because it's easy to kind of mess up. You kind of get that faded look. It don't look as rich and color filled, or it's kind of fade a little bit. But overall, these are pretty cool. I like them. It's not I like them. These are the second pair of Laneys I have. I have the Laney ones as well. And I'm pretty excited about the pickup. The yellow is cool, blue is cool. Not that faded blue look. It's pretty rich and vibrant. We got a little 3M on the tongue and a standard. I don't even know what to call this, lace locks.
Yeah.
Lace locks for the laces.
Yeah.
Overall, I like it. Cool shoe. Can't wait to wear them. And plus, yellow is my favorite color. So if I can find something with some yellow in it, I'll try to get it. And little known Regifat, these are the second pair of 5s that I've gotten. The only other 5s I have are the Raging Bull 5s. So
I think the shoe's cool. I wish they did this yellow as well.
you know what? Yeah, that would have been dope.
In the back Jumpman, but they did it black, which kind of doesn't even stand out. 5s, I am not a huge fan of Jordan 5s because I don't like the way they fit my feet because of this little in the inside of them they have like the whatever,
Kind of like a foot sock type
yeah
thing.
like the foot sock in there. So like I have like the Wolf Gray 5s and they're not comfortable on my feet, so I really don't wear them. But I think it's a cool shoe. Not for me, but I think it's a cool shoe.
And I will be swapping the laces out. I'm going to have the yellow in there. I'm going to swap them out for the yellow laces just so that the shoe can pop a little bit more, because they only got the yellow trim. And I think, the yellow should be able to pop a little bit more. So I am going to swap them out for the yellow laces.
So now for my pickup, first off from Black History Month pack.
Oh, and by the way, Happy Black History Month.
So we talked about these, and these are the ones that I said I like. And
oh wait a minute! I handed you a shoe. I can't hold one while you talk about it.
go ahead. So
rudeness.
Between these and the LeBrons that we got, this is probably my second favorite out the Black History Month. So LeBrons and then these. I think it's a dope shoe. The colors and everything are really vibrant. Everything about it stands out. So I'm excited to actually wear these and actually find some to actually, be able to wear these and kill it. So they did a real good job with these for a pair of Converses, and it came with a big box, which is different for Converse. Usually they come in that small box that they like lay down in. But overall, to me, this is a dope shoe.
For me, I actually like these more in person than in the pictures. I'm like pleasantly surprised off the detail and how the overall shoe looks. For example, the detail, like you see, you got the little Black History Month, uh, got that in there. The Black History Month on the tone. The detail is pretty good in these. I'm pleasantly surprised.
Yeah.
I'm kind of sad that.
They even have the
Oh
on
yeah,
the
I'm gonna talk
tongue.
about that too.
They even have the equality written there. So yeah, they didn't spare any
What,
expensive.
what was it? Oh, well, they're different because my mine says something else.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm actually low key jealous. This like one of the first pair of shoes that she got, and I kind of like, damn, I wish I would have
Even,
got these.
like the gold tips on the laces, and that's crazy. For a Converse that actually have those. They were, for a Converse they were expensive, but I'm glad it was worth the money to me.
Yeah.
It was worth the money.
So yeah, I stand corrected. These are pretty dope. I kind of wish I would have got a pair of these as well. But overall, I like this shoe, and I can't wait till she wear them. I want to see how she gonna pull these off, cause my style is a little bit better than hers, and I could rock these with my Martin Luther King sweater I got on.
Moving on.
Gang.
Be on the lookout for our Instagram. And I got, so we actually went and did like a little photo shoot with the stuff that we copped. So be on the lookout for that. Make sure y'all follow us, Kodak_souls. So make sure y'all check out our Instagram and see what we got coming. And we're going, I know somebody asked, how are we going to wear the LeBron Equalities with the white and black shoes. So as soon as we find something that hits just right, then those will be posted on our Instagram page. So stay on the lookout for that. And then I think that's it. Like, comment, subscribe,
And share.
and
Why you looked at me? You was waiting for me to say that, wasn't it?
that's your thing now.
I guess so.
But I think that's it. So stay tuned for what we got coming up next. We're still working on bettering our content and trying to figure out what our style is compared to other YouTubers and things like that. So just be on the lookout and see what we got coming up next. Peace.
Peace.